Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a review of Boob Design Sustainable Nursing Wear. This is an organic nursing wear company. Most of their stuff is like very natural materials, organic cotton, lyocell, they have wool things, and they all have a nursing function so that you can nurse your children. And they also work many of their items for maternity. So I'm going to do a review of just their nursing clothes when I do have the baby. So right now I am 33 weeks pregnant, but today I thought I would do a review of the maternity side of it. So if these work for maternity, I still wear them. I'm still nursing my toddler. They're very comfortable. They work for maternity. So right now I'm going to give you guys my exact measurements so you can kind of see where you might fit in their sizing range, because you have to order from Sweden, so it's not like you can return anything if you're ordering from the US. I'm a size 12, and I have a pretty small bust, I guess, compared to my hips. So 35 in the bust, and I wear a large in their nursing bras right now. The large size fits me really comfortably, really well. Let's see. And around my belly is 41 inches. So I am very, very pregnant. So it's a good gauge of if their stuff stretches or not. And I have, I guess, medium arms. My arms aren't very long. They're not very short. They're just a mid-range. So after reading their sizing information, when I was very newly pregnant and researching to find sustainable nursing clothes, and this is the only one I could find, I knew I would be around a large to an extra large. That's usually where I fall in sizes. So I ordered some larges and some extra large. This is me wearing their large size. I think it's the boat neck top that they have on their site. And it's fit me all through my pregnancy. It's now just getting a little bit tight in the belly area. And I make big babies. My last son was 10 pounds. And I was gigantic, and at 33 weeks, I'm already really big. So this large fits me perfectly. I really like it. It's not too tight. It's not loose. It's very form-fitting and very flattering. I also ordered 2 of their long sleeve shirts. I ordered this one in an extra large and this one in a large. And their extra large is really loose.
Fit.
So here is me wearing the extra large green shirt. The sleeves are longer than the large, and it's much more loose and comfortable. This one, I believe, will fit me up until my due date, and of course after I give birth and am nursing my newborn. Right now I'm only nursing my toddler. So I love this one. This is just a regular long sleeve t-shirt. It's very comfortable, made of organic cotton. I think as a size 12, I'm kind of in between their sizes. The large fits me, and the large would definitely fit me postpartum, and the extra large fits me comfortably too. So here is me wearing their large, regular long sleeve t-shirt. It's very, very, very tight, and it even gaps a little right here. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't fall close to my belly, but I can still wear this. It's just really form-fitting. And I think it's really cute. Now I bought 3 of their short sleeve shirts, one in lavender, one in maroon, and one in pink. And they are not see-through. A lot of people, I read reviews that they're see-through, but you're supposed to put this part over your breast and then this cover. So if you do that on the lighter colored shirts, like this one, I can't see even a black bra through it. Like I'm wearing a black bra right now, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here I am wearing the extra large short sleeve V-neck lavender t-shirt. And as you can see, it's not see-through because you have this part that goes over the breast and then this part. Of course, you're gonna pull that up for nursing, but then, you know, you're nursing. So that's what I like the extra large in the short sleeve option. That's just what I bought. Now I also bought one of their wrap shirts, which I really like. And this one is the only thing I bought that's lyocell. And it's really comfortable and soft and nice, and it fits me also. And I bought 2 of their sweaters because I am giving birth in January. I bought the extra large wool sweater. And the reason I bought the extra large is that wool is kind of tight and clingy. And when you wash it, even if you hand wash it, it is going to shrink up a bit. And this is just 100% wool. It's really wonderful and comfortable. I wore it in a photo shoot recently. It's super nice, not scratchy at all. I also bought the organic cotton sweater. I bought this one in a large. This is the large organic cotton rib sweater. And it also still has that nursing function. And super comfortable. It fits me really well too. It's really warm and extremely soft. I love it. Here is me wearing the extra large wool sweater. And I like that I bought the extra large because it goes a little lower down here. And the sleeves are a little longer. And if it was to shrink a little bit, because wool does shrink in the wash, I'm going to hand wash it, then it wouldn't be that big of a deal. I also bought one dress, and I don't know if this one, it's like the ruffle dress, is, it's made of organic cotton. I don't know if the ruffle dress was made for pregnancy as well as nursing, and this dress, even though it's a large, is really tight on me and uncomfortable to wear while I'm pregnant. So I'm gonna save this one for when I'm nursing, and I bought it for that anyway because I bought the summer version of the dress. So I suppose that the entire takeaway is that I love what I've bought. However, I knew when I went into this that I wasn't going to be able to return anything to Sweden. Another thing people ask is if I got any customs declarations or extra fees, and I did not, but my order was $600 something, and so they have a statement there that if your US order is over $800, then that's when you're going to get customs, but if it's under that, you won't. And I would say for my order, that was true. It was only $637, and I did not get any customs. You may say that's a lot of money to spend on nursing clothes, but nursing is hard. It's a full-time job. I want to be comfortable, and I want it to be easy. I didn't buy any nursing clothes with my son Ruben, but now that I know, I mean, he's still nursing. Now that I know this baby could nurse for 2 to 3 years, I want to make sure that I have a good collection of nursing clothes to support myself. And it was important to me that they be ethically made as well. So I can't think of any other things about this. I'm very impressed by the quality of the clothes. I definitely think they will all work for when I am nursing postpartum, even if they don't all work for maternity. My opinion would be if you're going to wear these for maternity and nursing, I would size up. I like my extra larges now that I'm in my 3rd trimester for maternity and nursing. If you're just going to buy these for nursing, I would pick the size that you are, so that for me that would be a large. There's still a few more things I want to order from them. If I end up with any extra cash, I would like to have one more long sleeve shirt, maybe one more short sleeve shirt, and one more dress. And I do own 2 of their bras. I bought their wool bra in a large, and it fits wonderfully. It's very supportive, very breathable. I will say after wearing it all day, it does tend to get a little bit itchy, but that's after wearing it all day. And I'm still wearing nursing bras because I'm nursing my son Ruben. But I think when I am postpartum and I have the little slip covers in there, that will help with the itchiness. And then I bought one of their organic cotton bras in a size large, and it's a dream. I'm actually wearing it right now, but I'm not going to show you that. It's extremely comfortable. It washes very well. I would like to own a few more of their bras too, especially their nighttime sleeping ones. So I hope you guys found this very long video very informative, and definitely check out Boob Design. I will link their shop below. This is not a sponsored video. I paid full price for all of these items. Hold on, Mommy's making a video. And I'd highly recommend them if you are nursing or pregnant. Bye!
Are you all done?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, get it out.
You gotta push it from the bottom.